Good morning, you guys. So today I'm going to be giving you a Pilates bar style HIIT workout. Grab a chair nearby if you want to, but challenge yourself without the chair. I'm going to be using one of my kids' squishy basketballs. It's going to be about 25-30 minutes long. It's one of my favorite routines because it's a little bit of Pilates, a little bit of cardio, and it really gets your heart rate up. So let's get started. Sneakers, ball in hand. We're going to just start with a nice dynamic warm-up. Nice little shuffle in your feet. Breathing, shoulders down and back, arms strong, and we're going to make this a twist. Nice little twist. Beautiful. Breathing, breathing, breathing. I have my kids running around, so if they come out and need my attention, just bear with it. All right, so hold it here. Then we're going to take it here, nice little side lunges, side to side. Nice dynamic warm up. Breathing. Good. Keep it going. Keep it going. Breathe with it. Sorry about that. My music. Always have music issues. Good. Down. Down. From here, back to that shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. And we're going to take little jacks. Forward, 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 forward. Good. For 5, 4, 3, 2. Take it in that left hand. Bring it up, 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 up. Now take it out, 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 out. Back to forward. You got it. Right hand up, 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 and out, 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 and last time forward. 3, 2, give me squat right here. Down and up. Feels good. Breathe, starting to get warm. Up, up. From here, if you want to add a releve, add that releve. If you want to add that jump, add that jump. Up, up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to that shuffle. Beautiful. Hold it here. Twist it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shoulders down. Step it out. All right. So, how are we doing? So far, so good. You should feel warm. I do. Heart rate is up. Bring me to that second position. Ball's going right here, chest level. We're squeezing it. If you have a weight, you can hold the weight, or if you don't have anything, just keep your hands right in front of you. We're going to take a pulse. So second position. Now, we're going to alternate heel lift. So we got left, left, switch, right, right, left, left, switch, right, right. Drop those shoulders. Left, left, and right, right. You got it. Left, left, right, right. Now single. Left, right, left, right. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Both heels. Try and balance. Good. Engage that core. You got it. Use that breath. Shoulders down. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, whoa, 3, 2, and 1. Release it. Okay, so this is the part where if you have a balance challenge, you can grab your chair. But let's try and take it without it. So we're going to start on our left leg. Take it around and up. So it's plie, squeeze, plie, squeeze, plie, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Beautiful. Give me 5, 4, 3, oh yeah, 2, 1. Now just take it up and around. So open through those shoulders. like you're doing a little whoop. Quarter out those arms. Add in that releve if you'd like. Up, 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 up. From here, we're gonna add a straight leg. So it's plie, straight leg, plie, straight leg, plie, straight leg, plie, straight leg. You got it. 5, 4, doing great. 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Down, 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 releve, down, releve, down, releve. Give me those jumps if you choose. Up, up, up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Plie, squeeze. Other side, right to it. Up, up. If you need that chair or that countertop, it's there for you. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2. Just the arms, down and around. Give yourself a minute to breathe. Oh, it feels good. Next one, we're gonna add the straight leg. So up, straight, around, straight. Point through those toes. How are we doing? Starting to feel that sweat. Up, up. Smile, give me 3 more. We got this. 3, 2. Take me to that plie, releve. Oh, to the yeah. There's a reason why this one is my favorite one. Let's add that hot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just hold it, step touch in front. Good, how we doing? So far so good. Take that ball back into that left hand. We're gonna do some standing abs here, ready? So, and some squats, always. So we go down and across, down and across, down and across. Whoop. Good, so everything is long, lean lines. Just give me 3, 2, 1. Now turn, so your left leg is in the back. We're gonna take it in. So try not to change the level here. It's squeeze, extend, squeeze, extend. If you need that chair, you hold on to it with your right arm. Now from here, we're gonna pick the pace up. Good, smile. It's a non-stop. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, face 1. Let's go right to the other side. Down. Hello, abs. Hello, glutes. Create some tension in those arms, too. That's what that ball's there for. Yes, it is. Excellent. Squeeze. 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Ready to turn. Right leg. We go. Up. Up. Making that mind-muscle connection. I'm not just moving through the movement. You squeeze, extend. Squeeze, extend. Let's pick it up. 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 Give it here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, to the center, twist it out. So, since I got kids, and I don't know when they're gonna say, Mom, enough, when I work out, it's go, go, go. But by any means, if you need to stop and grab some water, take it there. Let's do it. Another round of cardio. 5, 4, 3, 2. Left hand up. Up, let's add a little brain work. Can we do it? Up, out, up, out. We can. Up, up. To the center, go. Up, up. Hope you guys are sweating like me. Breathe in, ready? Up, out, up, out. Give it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. We go down and up. And up. Really breathe. Take the stress of the day away. Add that releve. Aha. Crushing through it. Add that jump if you want. Let's do it. Up. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release it. Step it out. All right. How we doing? Here's the plan. We're going to slow it down a little bit. So it's kind of like that HIIT feel. We go hard, quick, and then tone it down, make it juicy. All right? So your left leg, we're going to take it here. We extend it just like what we were doing before. Right? Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Good. I got a fun challenge coming up. You'll love it. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now in 1, I want you to hold it here. So my back leg is more straight than bent. We're going to take a little tilt and up. Tilt and up. So it's obliques, obliques. That front leg, your right leg, has a nice bend in it. Beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now from here, we're going to take it down, step it in. Find your balance. Down, step it in. We're going to add a little cardio option here. Down, press. That's level 2, okay? You can always stay at level 1. Or find your dristy, your focal point. Up, up, up. 4 more, you got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Just squeeze that ball. Catch your breath. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. What is that? I must increase my bust. Here we go. Now from here, you're going to take that ball down. So you're going to take your right leg. That are 3-legged down dog. Squeeze the abs. 3-legged down dog. Squeeze the abs. 3-legged down dog. Squeeze the abs. Give me 3. Good. 2. 1. Take it down on your knees. Give me a big stretch. Hold it down there. I'm going to see if my little rugrats need anything. Guys good? They're good. Eating breakfast. All right, so we're down on the mat. Take the ball behind your right leg. So we're going to stay down a little bit. If you don't have a ball, don't worry about it. If you have a weight, the weight can always go behind the leg as well. So we're here. We're going to be on forearms. And we go. Vincent just said, we're doing it too inside, Mom. We're working out inside too. So lift. So your abs are in, your neck's in line with that spine. We're coming closer to the end here. Keep it up. Squeeze. Give me 5, 4, smile, 3, 2, hold on 1, pulse it out. When you're pulsing, you can squeeze your glutes rather than lifting too high. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2. Now come up, hold it here. Come up onto those hands. We're going to take a little fire hydrant. Up and down. Up and down. guys are doing something for yourself today. We hope you're spending time with the people that live in your home, staying healthy, drinking lots of water, eating healthy foods, but indulging in the foods you love. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now we're going to hold on 1 and pulse it out. Pulse, pulse, pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5. Make sure your shoulder, elbow, wrists are in line. 3, 2, and 1. Take that ball out. All right, remember earlier, I said we got a sneaky little challenge. Here it is. It's my favorite part of the entire workout, you guys, okay? The ball goes in between those thighs. The best you can. Tuck those toes under and bring it back to a down dog. Walk your hands up, breathe. I'm gonna face you. So, it's high in those inner thighs. Let's just get juicy-goosey before we start. So little squat and reach. Little squat and reach. You may need to adjust it because I do. We're gonna get right to the challenge, okay? So, getting 5, 4. Now if you don't wanna jump, you can always take it onto releve. 2 and 1. Now hold it here, little pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now hold it, squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2. We're gonna take it to 4. There we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Little squeeze. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do 3s. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze it. 3, 2. We're going to 2s. Let's go. 2, 1. Hold it. 2, 1. Squeeze it. 2, 1. Let's do 1. 1, 1, 1. Don't let it go. We're going to do it one more time. 5. Go all the way down to 1. Ready? We know it's coming. If you don't want to jump, you can take it on your releve. Okay? Squeeze that ball. No ball. You can do this. Just pretend like you have a ball. Use your brain. Make that mind-muscle connection. Here we go. Start with 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to 3. 3, 2. Here comes that sun. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze it. 3, 2, 1. Go to 2s. 2, 1. Let's go. 2, 1. Squeeze. Let's do 3 singles. Here we go. 1, 1. Squeeze. 1, 1. Squeeze. One more. 1, 1. Squeeze. Release it. Shake it out. So, we have to do the other side. We're only going to do that challenge one more time. We are almost done, okay? So what do? Came to this side, right? So, let's take, no. It would be your right leg back. Squeeze and lower. Squeeze and lower. Squeeze and lower. And lower. So it's your right leg back. Your standing leg is your left leg. Up. Good. 4, 3. You got it. 2, 1. Now hold it here. Remember, it's that straight leg lunge. So a nice long line there. Squeeze your glutes. Bend through that front leg. Little teapot. Breathe. Oh, we're almost done, you guys. Exhale. This is a glimpse into my home workout, my favorite type of workouts. Good. 3, 2. Now we go. Down, making sure that knee doesn't pass your toes. Step it in. Take it down. Step it in. Down. Add that balance, level 2. Down and up. Down and up. Find your focal point. We're gonna add that cardio if you'd like. Here we go. Up. Light on those toes. Yes, your entire body should be like, hey, this is awesome. 4. Here's 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Find that balance. Little pull to that ball. Staying low in that front leg. Shoulders down. We don't want to be here. Right now, it is so easy to feel overwhelmed. Drop those shoulders. Even if you only drop those shoulders in your workouts, keep them down. 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's take your right leg, your front leg, kick it back to 3-leg jog. Up and squeeze it in. Up and squeeze it in. Up. Just give me 4 more. You guys got this. 4, 3, 2, 1, and take it down on that mat. How we doing? I know you guys are crushing this. I knew you guys would love this. So let's take your ball, your weight, or your imaginary ball behind that left leg. And we're going down onto your forearms. Down to your forearms, and we lift and lower. 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 Give it here for 5, 4, 3, 2. Now hold on 1. Pulse it, pulse it, pulse it, pulse it, pulse it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it up. Here we go. Up. Fire hydrants. Up. That a boy, Vincent. If you lose that ball, mine feels like it's coming out. Put it right back in there. It's okay. It's part of the game. 4, 3, 2. Now we hold on 1. Up, up. Give it here. 8. This is the last bit. We got 1 plank. Then we're done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release it. Bring it back. All right, you guys. Here's the plan. I'm sweating. I didn't put waterproof mascara on, so I'm sorry. We're gonna take that ball or your weight right in between your hands. This is your last 30, 45 seconds. We're gonna do 2 sets of planks. 30 seconds, rest, 20 seconds, rest, and then we're stretching, okay? So, first plank. The ball's gonna go right in between those hands. We're gonna hold it here. We're gonna squeeze. So join me right here. Squeeze, squeeze. You can always take those knees down, right? I don't want this. I don't want this. I have you guys on that clock. Let's go. Shoulders down. Breathing. Comes my doggy. Hello. Keep it going. Let me get you on that clock. Wipe my sweat. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release it. Ball's gonna come here, back in between those thighs. Last set. I said 20 seconds, but we're gonna go for 30. Now, again, you can always be on those knees. Bring it up here. Give me little body saws. Let's do it. 30 seconds and we're done. Breathe. You got it, guys. Who knew you can get such an awesome, intense workout in 30 minutes or less that does everything? Let's do it. 10, 9, 8. Remember, you can be here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release it. Take it back. All right, you guys, so we earned a little stretch. So let's take the soles of the feet together. Get rid of that ball, bring it to the side. Drop your shoulders, bring that belly button into the spine. Nose to your toes, round it up, and bring it back up. So let's take little circles. Back, nose, flatten, and up. One more. Back, nose, flatten, and up. Sit comfortably however you want. I want you to bring those hands right on your shoulders and just give yourself a little massage. Try not to be here. Just this will help you remind yourself to drop your shoulders throughout the day. Take the stress and anxiety out on your workout, not your body. Be kind to yourself. Do movement that feels good. Good. Open up. Give that hug now. Embrace yourself with a hug. Dropping your left ear. And release it. Yes. Good. From here, you're going to take your left leg, cross it over, sideways figure four, and just feel those glutes. All those squats we've been doing in that squat challenge. All the squats we've been doing and glute work we've been doing in our workouts. Switch it out. So I'm going to try and pop on live once or twice during the week, but mark your calendars for Saturday for a live Zumba. Take your right leg. Let me know how you like this pre-recorded workout. And then what I'm hoping is Saturday to do my Zumba, and Sunday, if I can swing it, I'd really like to pop on for a yoga Pilates live. Because right now, more than ever, we need to stretch and we need to breathe and we need to take some quiet time for our minds and bodies. So before we leave here, I want you guys to take a roll down. Nice and slow. Big stretch overhead. Bring those knees into your body. Give it a hug. And I'm going to end here. Hugging your knees and breathing. I want you guys to do the same thing. Hug those knees. Gently rock it side to side. My kids are so quiet right now, so I'm going to take this moment to feel the breeze and the sun and enjoy it. Enjoy the rest of your day, you guys. Let me know how you liked this, and I will see y'all later.